So how many of you know what this is? Well, that's easy, Julie. That's a compass. Okay, you know it's a compass. So how many of you actually know how to use a compass? I don't see as many hands being raised at the time. Hey, I'm Julie Zolfo. I'm your passionate life designer. And last Thursday night, I went to a workshop here locally in Bend, Oregon, where I live. And the workshop was about maps and how to use a compass. Now, I am a huge hiker and a huge traveler. I'm the author of the Amazon bestseller, The Way of the Traveler's Heart. And I have to be honest, I really don't know how to use a compass. And so I wanted to go to this course just so when I was out on the trail and I'm doing hikes locally with my friends, even though I don't mind them taking the lead, I realize it's really important that I should understand the terrain, I should understand the trail, and God forbid something happens, right? I can be of a resource to help us maybe move in the direction of where we need to go in. Well, it got me thinking too about how we make our choices in life. See, when you use a compass correctly, the first thing you need to do is actually, with your compass, identify your magnetic north. Only when you identify your magnetic north can you then move like, oh, I want to go to the east. Oh, I want to go to the west. But if you haven't taken the time to get certain about what your magnetic north is, you could start moving in a new direction, but you might not end up where you're going. And that got me thinking to the work that I do and a workshop that I'm doing on May 17th, 19th, and 25th. The workshop is called Accelerate Your Clients' Results. And the reason I say your clients' results is so many people in my community are influencers, are contributors, are empowerers, are like transformational leaders and coaches and mentors. But I'm not sure if they actually have a tool. Do you have a tool that really helps your client accelerate their results really quickly? If you don't, I have been using a process called the Passion Test since 2010. And I'm telling you, it's a game changer. And I have, over 25 years in professional development. I have dozens of certifications. And the one that I use every single time is the Passion Test, because like magnetic north, only when you're clear about what matters most to you and what your heart is calling you to do can you actually move in the directions of your dream. So if you are somebody that is out there in the world who's empowering people, or you're somebody who wants to and doesn't know how to get started, come join my workshops. There's 6 of them, May 17th, 19th, and 25th at 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific Coast time. And if you are somebody who right now does feel a little lost, who after these last couple of years with the pandemic and that C word, you're really clear about what you don't want, but you haven't gotten clear, you haven't gotten your magnetic north on what you really do want, then this workshop is for you too. So again, I am Julia Zolfo. I run a program called Destination No Fear. And this workshop, Accelerate Your Clients' Results, is going to help you as a coach, as a client, or as an individual who's just wanting to get so clear about what matters most. So when you take that step into the unknown, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. It doesn't have to be scary. It can be exciting to move into something new, fresh, and unknown. So I look forward to seeing you at one of my workshops, Destination No Fear. Look it up.com. You can register there. I'll put the link in the comments and I will see you there. And bring a friend and tell a friend. Again, I'm Julie. See you soon.